Did you know that the common orb-weaver spider, often found in gardens, possesses a strength far exceeding its size? Its silk, specifically the dragline silk, is 5 times stronger than steel by weight. This incredible material allows the spider to create elaborate, resilient webs capable of trapping large insects and withstanding environmental stresses like wind. Furthermore, this amazing silk is also incredibly elastic, stretching up to 40% of its length without breaking, making it a truly revolutionary natural engineering feat. The spider's ability to produce different types of silk for various purposes, from sticky capture threads to strong structural supports, showcases its remarkable biological innovation.